Biggest mistakes parents make when setting up a trust fund. Setting up a trust fund can be a crucial tool for parents to ensure their children's financial future. While it offers various advantages, such as asset protection and tax benefits, many parents make critical mistakes that can undermine the effectiveness of their trust. Understanding these mistakes is key to creating a solid, functional trust. Trusts are widely used in New York due to their flexibility and the long-term benefits they offer. However, creating a trust is not a one-time task. To ensure your trust aligns with your goals, seeking advice from a qualified lawyer is essential. Legal considerations in setting up a trust fund. New York trust law is governed by the Estates, Powers, and Trusts Law, EPTL, and the Surrogates Court Procedure Act, SCPA. These laws ensure that trusts are legally enforceable and meet all state requirements. Several formalities must be followed when creating a valid trust. For instance, the trust document must include a clear declaration of trust and identify the beneficiaries. Trustees are also legally bound to act in the best interests of the beneficiaries. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. Not defining the purpose of the trust. A trust fund should have a clear purpose. Whether it's to provide for education or pass on wealth to future generations, defining the trust's objectives is crucial. Many parents fail to align the trust with their child's needs, leading to unnecessary complications. Be specific about your goals and assess whether the trust you establish will meet these objectives in the long run. Choosing the wrong type of trust. Each type of trust serves different needs. Parents often set up a revocable trust, thinking it will serve their long-term goals, only to discover that an irrevocable trust offers better protection and tax benefits. Consulting with a lawyer can help you determine the most suitable trust type for your family's specific situation. Selecting an inappropriate trustee. The trustee's role is to manage and distribute assets according to the trust's terms. Some parents select trustees based on convenience, like a family friend, rather than their ability to manage complex financial matters. A professional trustee, such as a trust company or a bank, can often be a better choice, providing impartiality and experience in trust administration. Failing to fund the trust. A trust cannot fulfill its purpose if it isn't properly funded. Many parents mistakenly assume that simply setting up a trust is enough. You must ensure the proper transfer of assets into the trust. Without this, the trust remains an empty shell. Overlooking tax and expense planning. Trusts come with administrative costs and potential tax liabilities. Failing to account for these costs can drain the trust's assets, reducing what is available for the beneficiaries. Proper planning with an attorney can ensure that taxes and fees are accounted for, preserving the value of the trust. What is a trust fund? A trust fund is a legal arrangement in which a third party, known as the trustee, manages and holds assets on behalf of a beneficiary. The person who establishes the trust is called the grantor. This setup allows the grantor to specify how and when the beneficiaries will receive the assets. Trusts can include a wide variety of assets, such as cash, real estate, or stocks. Trusts are highly customizable, and their structure can vary significantly depending on the grantor's goals. For example, a trust can be designed to pay for a child's education, support a family member with special needs, or provide for future generations. There are several types of trust funds, including revocable trusts. The grantor retains control over the trust during their lifetime and can make changes as needed. However, revocable trusts do not provide as much asset protection as irrevocable trusts. Irrevocable trusts. Once established, this trust cannot be altered or revoked without the beneficiary's consent. Irrevocable trusts offer significant tax benefits and asset protection. Living trusts. Created during the grantor's lifetime, this can either be revocable or irrevocable. One of its main advantages is that it helps avoid probate. Testamentary trusts. These trusts are created through a will and only go into effect after the grantor's death. Each of these trust types has its pros and cons. Deciding which is right for your family requires careful consideration of your long-term goals and financial situation. To ensure your trust serves its intended purpose and avoids these common pitfalls, it's essential to consult a professional. At Schlessel Law PLLC, we offer personalized legal advice for setting up a trust fund tailored to your family's needs. If you're ready to secure your children's financial future, contact Schlessel Law PLLC today at 516-574-9630 or visit our office at 34 Willis Avenue, Suite 300, Mineola, New York, 11501. Let us help you build a trust fund plan that works for you and your loved ones.